Today is 17th August 2021, and we will be analyzing the market together this morning. My name is Okungbeni Dixon, and I welcome everybody to the analysis today. And I'm very sure some of you would have made some money yesterday when I was shouting about gold, talking about gold, and every other analysis we did yesterday for the week is looking perfect. Then today, let's see what we can do so that every trader out there will have a sense of direction of where price will be headed to today, so that you can take proper decision and make good money from the market. Good morning, everybody. I love seeing you guys here today, and let's do it. Let's start with our fundamentals. We're going to spend just short time to do this today. We start with our fundamentals. Then from there, we move to the technical. All right, so today in our fundamentals, we see the major news. The major news in today's fundamental is core retail sales and the retail sales affecting the US dollar today. Those are the major news. So the US dollar today is going to experience the sales figures coming from the US, and if they are better than the forecast, if the actual is better than the forecast, then US dollar will be strengthened. But if they are less compared to the forecast, then it will affect US dollar negatively. Okay. Yesterday we talked about. I want to check something. All right. Okay, it will affect the US dollar negatively. All right, and we are not yet there. It's going to affect the US dollar negatively. So that is the core retail sales. So watch out for this. It's very, very important. And let's see what this is going to produce today. So watch out for this. Then next is the Fed Chairman Powell's speak. So we said the speech of the chairman, speech of even any of the Fed members are very important this time, because they help people to see what is going on in the economy, possibly what they should be expecting in the economy. Okay, so all these are very, very important. Then what is going on in Afghanistan can also affect the market, especially those people that are trading Japanese yen. What is going on presently in Afghanistan? Take a look at the yen and be careful trading the yen this time, because if it's affecting the Afghanistan positively, then we can see the yen might be strengthening. But if it's affecting Afghanistan negatively, the yen will be affected negatively. So all the safe haven, USD, JPY, and so on may fly up today. So be careful with what is going on in Afghanistan. All right, so that you can, especially if you are trading the yen, okay, yen, Chinese yuan, be very careful with those currency because of what is going on in Afghanistan. All right, so that said, Fed Chair Powell will speak today by 6:30 p.m. Nigerian time. So watch out for this time and get ready to trade the market, because every speech that is tailored towards positive economy recovery, more jobs, and so on, will affect the US dollar positively. But any speech tailored towards increasing the interest rates, jacking up the monetary policy, that will affect the US dollar positively, but it will affect the stock market negatively. So all these are what we must watch out for this month. Okay, we must watch out for this today. Sorry, we must watch out for this today. So we have the core retail sales by 1:30 p.m. and the retail sales, and also the Fed Chairman Powell will speak today by 6:30. These are the very important fundamental reports that we must take note of. All right, so that said, let's move straight to our technical. Let's move straight to our technical and see what is going on technically in the market. Let's see what is going on technically in the market today. All right, guys, can you see my screen? I need a yes from you. Morning, bros. Morning, everyone. Mr. Eccentric, good morning. Good morning, everybody. So can you see my screen? Yes, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, thank you, everybody. Thank you all, thank you. Yes, everyone can see my screen, I'm sure. Now, we start with UXD as usual, okay? So if you have never made money from the market, today you must make money today. I tell you, because the market is really presenting a lot of opportunity this morning, and I'm so happy seeing what is going on. But before that, let's just look at our technicals while we talk about every other thing briefly. Okay, so you can see this is daily time frame. This trend line, we had this trend line since last week. If you remember, those of you that have been coming, we had this trend line since last week. So this trend line still is very valid, is very important. Okay, so now price is at that trend line, but my bias for Euro USD this morning is neutral. My bias for Euro USD this morning is neutral. That's my bias. And the resistance level is very far, 1.1800, not too far, but it's still far, 1.1800. And the support is at 1.1765. I've drawn those lines there. So let's look at 4 hours and check out all this that I've said, okay? So this is the support, 1.1765. So you can see the 4-hour candle is breaking the support. If the 4-hour candle closes below that support and that trend line, that is opportunity that price is going to trend down to 1.1705. So we'll follow through and watch this closely. Wait for this guy to close, not on 1 hour, please, on 4 hours. If 4 hour closes below this trend line and the support level, then price will move down. But if it touches it as it's touching it and goes back and closes above the trend line and this support level, then price is going to trend back to 1.1800 level. What an opportunity today price is presenting, and we are even at the right spot waiting for what price is going to do this morning. So watch out for these guys and be ready to trade the Euro USD this morning. Okay, so let's leave Euro USD and move to GBP USD. Yesterday we drew this trend line for GBP USD and I said, let's see what GBP is going to do. Yesterday I called this point the confluence zone, that if price is able to break this, then price is going to trend to 1.3980 level. But price couldn't break it. Price got to it and failed, and price began to drop from there. So a smart trader will have taken some very good profit this morning. If you're a smart trader who has been following this analysis, you would have taken some profits this morning. Not bad, about 40 pips. You should have taken about 40 pips. If you enter from here, and if you enter from this top, you should have taken close to 50, 60 pips, okay, from GBP USD, that is 60 pips. So every time we come to do analysis, we actually look at the market to see where the market is actually going. And I hope if today is the first time you're joining us, you are not going to miss this any day, because if you're a forex trader, this is where you're supposed to be every day, looking at what we are trying to do here in through CJC Markets Nigeria and to every forex traders in Nigeria. This is very important because it's going to set you aright every single day and help you to get a sense of direction of possibly where the market will be headed this every single day. So it's important you are here and invite your friend. It's still the same link. We will never change the link for daily market analysis. It's still the same link, so you can use that link to join us every single day. All right, so that is GBP USD. Price is moving towards the support at 1.3800. You can see price is moving towards that support at 1.3800. So when price gets to that support, that will be a decision level. Here's going to be our decision level. It's either price breaks that and trend towards my target, 1.3735. That's my target, 1.3735. You said that price break this and trends toward this target, or price hits this and bounces back towards the trend line. Okay, So either of this is going to happen today. Either of this is going to happen today, probably because of the retail sales affecting the US dollar. Remember, this is GBP USD. The retail sales are affecting the US dollar, and Fed Chair Powell will speak. So maybe because of this, dollar may be strengthening and then pull this guy down and move toward 1.3735 level, 1.3735 level. Or dollar will be weakened and this guy will bounce from here, hit this trend line, break this trend line, and goes above 1.3880 resistance level. This is 1.3880 resistance level. So it goes above this, then we can see price moving up. But I doubt this. I doubt it to an extent. Nothing is impossible in Forex, but I don't like us to trade expectation. Let's trade what we are seeing now. Okay, we trade what we are seeing. So for now, price is still here, moving towards this support at 1.3800. So if price bounces off this support, that means the support holds. That's the right word. If the support holds, then you see price trending back to this trend line. But if it breaks this support, you're going to see price trending towards 1.3735 level. So watch out for these guys and see what this can give us this money today from GBP UXD. All right, that's GBP USD. Let's move to AUD UXD. My bias for GBP USD is bearish, though. That's my bias, bearish bias. All right, so let's move to AUD UXD. AUD USD, my bias for AUD USD this morning is neutral. Neutral bias for AUD UXD. Okay, we had a trend line on 4-hour time frame since last week. Look at the trend line since last week, and that trend line has successfully been broken. If you are following this, you're supposed to be in this trade now, okay? Because immediately this guy is broken, a very tight stop loss of 25 pips can be used. Then from there, we can see he's moving towards the first target, which is just 20 pips. But if you are not yet in that trade, no problem. It's presenting another opportunity to get in, because it closed below 0.7290. If price closes below this support level you're seeing, that will make price to trend down towards let me see, to make price to trend out towards 0.7220 level. Okay, the support there is 0.7290 level. That's the support, 0.7290. If price closes below 0.7290 level, then price is going to trend gently towards 0.7220 level. I believe you guys are putting all these levels down. Or if price break this guy, it's going to trend down gently towards 0.7220 level. If price hits this level and reverses, it's going to move up to 0.7315. 0.7315 and towards this trend line. Okay, any of these can happen today. So we don't doubt the market. Any of this can happen today. Price can break 0.7290 level and move towards 0.7220 level. That's about 70 pips. Or price will hit 0.7290 level and bounces up back to 0.7315 and above that towards the trend line. Okay, so any of these can happen today. So watch out for this for GBP UXD. Okay, today. All right, guys, that is that on AUD USD. Sorry, AUD USD today. That's on AUD USD. So you guys can hear me? Can you guys hear me? Good morning, Mr. Kennedy. Can you guys hear me? Yes. Okay, good. Yes, you guys are with me. Okay. Yes, we can hear you. All right. Thank you. If today is your first time joining our daily market analysis, can you just say hi? Just say hi. If today is the first time you're joining us, just say hi. Hi. Okay. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Thank you. Wow. We have so many persons joining us for the first time today. Wow. Welcome. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everyone joining us for the first time. Okay. This analysis is brought to you by CJC Market. CJC Market is a forex brokerage firm with headquarters in New Zealand. And now in Nigeria, we are now in Nigeria. We are all over the world, in all continents of the world. CJC is in all continents of the world. Any continent to travel to, the CJC office there. And now we're in Africa, in Egypt, and in Nigeria. And in Nigeria, we have 3 offices in Nigeria, in Lagos, in Port Harcourt, and in Abuja. Our office in Lagos is at number 103, Mosheshola House, Allen Avenue, Ikeja, Lagos. CJC is on 6th floor of that building, 103 Mosheshola House, Allen Avenue, Ikeja, Lagos. Okay, and also in Port Harcourt, CJC is at number 193 Aba Road, Rumola Junction, beside Emirate Hotel, Port Harcourt. CJC is on 2nd floor of that building. Then in Abuja, our office is at number 50, Ademola Adetokunbo Crescent, Wuse 2, Abuja, beside H Medics. CJC is on the 1st floor of that building. So any of this place, you can visit, you can walk into any of our office in Nigeria. And also we have partner offices all over the country. We have partner office in Lorin, we have partner office in Calabar, in Ibadan, everywhere, in Osogbo. Everywhere we have partner office, but there are some states we don't have partner office. And if you want to be our partner in those states, why not hit us up and let's discuss business. All right. Then apart from this, if you want signals, we provide free signals for our clients. Okay, minimum funding $500 for you to get our signals. And if you want daily analysis like this free, you can just open an account with us. Join us every time. Open an account with CJC Market, and you'll be glad you did. Then also at CJC Market, we provide platform for you to copy trade. We have copy trading platform, a very sound platform where you copy the trade of experts while you're still learning. Okay, so all what you just need to do is open an account with us. Then you look at the experts, how they are performing. We have different of them there, how well they are doing, and just click follow. Like you follow someone on Twitter or on Instagram, just click follow, and everything the person is doing on his account, replicating your account. As he makes money, you make money. So that's our copy trading system. Very simple and very easy for you. And with that, I've heard you can copy with 200, you can copy with 500, you can copy with 1,000, depend on the trader. Okay, so this is opportunity for you to make some money from the market. And at CJC Market, we give you dedicated account officer. We bring Forex closer to you, and we make you to understand Forex better than you have ever done. Then also at CJC Market, we have classes, physical classes, online classes. If you want to learn more about Forex, why not join any of our classes, both online class and the physical class? And from now, I think we started a new big class yesterday, and it's going to last for a week. Then after this week, we are going to advanced class next week. The advanced class will be online and will be offline. Come and learn principles of Forex trading and understand the dynamics of the market, and you'll be able to make money from the market. Experts are ready to train you, to teach you, to open your eyes to see what this market really entails and how to grab the opportunities in this market that worth $7.4 trillion daily turnover. You can see there's no market that is as huge as Forex markets in the world. $7.4 trillion daily turnover. That is huge, bigger than any economy of the world and bigger than any market you can think about in the world. So Forex market is number 1 in the world, and this is why you must take advantage of this market and make your own extra money from the market. All right, so that is that. If you want to open an account with us, let me drop a number with you. Send your name and location to that number. The number I'm going to drop now. Send your name and location to the number. Just check the chat box. You are going to see it. I'm dropping it in the chat box right away. Okay, send your name and location to that number. That's the number 070-3414-6478. That's the number. If you want anything, signals, how to join this analysis every day, you want to learn, you want advanced training, you want somebody, you have huge sum of money, you want someone to handle your account for you, to trade for you, we can recommend, just recommendation. We can recommend, give you good traders that can really trade your accounts for you. Send your name and location to that number. If you are not in our Telegram channel, why not join our Telegram channel and receive update from us every single day. Receive update from us every single day. Here is our Telegram channel, and you can start by joining our Telegram channel. That's a link to the channel. Click on the link. I just send it to the chat box now. Click on the link and join our Telegram channel. Okay. So with this, you will be able to get updates from us every day. Link to join this daily analysis every day from us. Okay. And if you want to visit our website, go to cjcmarketglobal.com. That's our website. Go to cjcmarketglobal.com. Okay. And opening an account with us, trading with CJC Market, you'll be glad you did, because we are one of the most transparent brokerage firms in Nigeria. And we are fast becoming the fastest growing brokerage firm in Nigeria and in Africa. So welcome on board to CJC Market Nigeria, and let's do this together. Let's look at New Zealand USD this morning. New Zealand USD. Look at what New Zealand is doing. New Zealand is weakened. Okay, it's weakened, probably based on issues that are going on in with the Taliban in Afghan and other places. You can see what is going. The market is really reacting to all this going on in those areas. So you can see price is falling seriously. You can see what price is doing. So this is huge. Okay, so if you have missed this, hold on. Let price close below this. Okay, we've missed this huge move. All right, but look at our analysis yesterday. So analysis yesterday, we put a trend line here, and we said if price did not break this trend line upward, I'm not going to buy. We said it yesterday, and I don't expect anybody buying. Okay, yesterday, because this trend line is still intact, still in place. So you won't buy. But look at what happened. A fall below this our support level should have initiated your buying. You can see it closed below it, probably here or somewhere here. Could have initiated your buy, and all this move, you could have been part of it. You see, it's sweet if you understand what you're doing in the market. It's very sweet. And now, if you feel this portion was broken also, 6665 was broken, then that's opportunity also to go with this. Now, if you miss this, then wait for this. This candle must close below this guy. So if this happens, then I expect price to trend carefully or gently to 0.6880 level. I expect price to trend towards 0.6880 level. But if this candle going down decides to move back and closes inside it, I'll wait for a rejection candle upward, then we'll trade this back to 0.6965 level. That is how we are going to handle this one today. But I'm seeing something also. I'm seeing something also on that 4-hour time frame for NZD-USD. Let me show you what I'm seeing. Okay, I can construct a very nice trend line here, which has been broken by price. Call you back. Which has been broken by price. You can see price has broken this successfully. So this can be in place, and this is huge. You can see that's huge. Okay. Huge, and that is telling you price might do two things, might begin to trend downward, or there could be a reversal towards this trend line to test it again before the final down movement. Okay, for the final down movement. So let's see what price is likely going to do here today. All right, we're not just saying, we are taking action, because if this candle below this level, price will trend down towards 0.6881. All right, guys, can you hear me? Are you with me, please? Okay, thank you. Send your message to that number. Can you guys hear me? Yes, okay, thank you. You can hear me. All right, thank you very much. You guys can hear me. All right, so that's it. So price closes below 0.6920, we make price to move down to 0.6880 level. So wait, and if it bounces off 0.6920, then price will return back to this trend line. So wait for this and see what price is likely going to do today. All right, that's NZD-USD. Let's look at USD card. Opportunities are also here for UXD card. Remember this, our trend line was in place also yesterday. Okay. My bias for USD CAD this morning is USD CAD bias is neutral, but price is trending up, and we don't just trade bias, we trade what we are seeing. Okay, I can see this also. This is also huge. Okay, this is huge. Please don't miss this opportunity. USD CAD is presenting. The resistance is broken. 2.605, 1.2.6, that's 1.2605, 1.2605, that's the resistance. 1.2605 is broken already, and the next target will be 1.2675, 1.2675, that's the next target. Then if that is broken, the next will be 1.2785, 1.2785. Now we wait, please wait on 4 hours, not 1 hour, please. On 4 hours, we wait for price to close below this guy, 1.2605. If price close below this guy, then we will see price will move towards this guy, 1.2675. You see price will move toward 1.2675. So very important level to watch out for today. Please, this is very, very important to watch out for. Then the break of this guy will make price to move toward 1.2785 level. Okay, we make price to move towards that level. But from what I'm seeing, USD CAD is very, very bullish. For now, it's very, very bullish. So watch out for this. And you can see the triangular pattern that has been formed on 4 hour time frame. It's a very important one. If you know how to trade chart patterns, this is very, very important. And you can see the price is going to react to all this today and even this week. But on the flip side, remember, we are having news affecting the USD today. Okay, so if the news is positive for USD CAD will fly up more. But if the news is negative, it can drag USD CAD back down. Okay, so watch out for that news also. All right, guys, that is USD CAD for you this morning. And let's go to gold. Gold this morning. Gold is at a resistance, stylishly closing above the resistance at 1790. That's the resistance. Remember yesterday I spoke about gold, and we had a trend line on 4 hours, which we were able to interpret on 1 hour. And we said, if this trend line is not broken, price will continue to go up, okay? Until that trend line is broken. If that trend line is not broken down, price will continue to go up for gold. Please note this. Price will continue to go up for gold until this trend line is broken, okay? But a conservative trader will wait for gold to close above 1790. It hasn't closed above 1790. Okay, so if you have missed this opportunity to buy gold to 1790, then it's presenting another opportunity for you. Until price closes above 1790, I don't expect you to buy yet, because price may want to come down and retest this trend line before moving up again. But if it closes above 1790, okay, it's telling you, okay, we are going to pull through to 1805. Okay, we will pull through towards 1805. Remember, is it towards 1805? That's a target, 1805. But if the news today is good for the dollar and dollar is trending, it can pull gold down. Please watch out for that news. It can pull gold down across the trend line and change this direction, and you see gold start moving downward again. But if this line is maintained and the news is against UXD, then you are going to see gold moving towards 1805 level. And even before that time, you know, gold can do all this move within a short period of time. So that's that. So, and also on the flip side, I'm adding this to it for those of you trading Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin, and you can see the charts for Bitcoin USD. So if price closes below this triangle, Bitcoin is going to fall. But if price bounces off this lower trend line, Bitcoin will return back to where it's coming from, and that is about a 4808 price, 48,080 price. So Bitcoin may return to this if it bounces, but if it closes below this guy, then Bitcoin might trend towards where it's coming from. That's close to 39,000. Bitcoin might trend towards 39,000 if it closes below this triangle. All right. So, but it's at a point of decision. It's trying to make decision at that very point for Bitcoin. I just said, let me add that one to our analysis this morning. So guys, this is today's analysis. Thank you for being here. And I believe we're going back to trade the market and make some money from the market today. Okay, if you are going to